Hey friends, today we learn how to download TikTok video without watermark. For that, first of all, open TikTok. Select a video you want to download and then click on share icon. Then click on copy link. Go back and open Chrome. Click on search. Search save TT. Space CC, then click on search. Click on first link, save TT. Paste your link here. Then click on search. Then select the format you want to download. Here you see the three formats. MP4 is a video without watermark, MP4 video with watermark, and MP3. I want to download TikTok video without watermark. For that, I simply select MP4. Then click on download. Then click on details. Then click on video. And here you see you successfully download TikTok video without watermark from TikTok. If you like our video, please subscribe.